So maybe you are a bilingual and you want to set up another new language, voice, or even accent on your Google Nest Audio smart speaker. But I'm going to show you how to set a new language on your Google Home app and also how you can go back to English again. Now for that, first open your Google Home app, go to Settings, scroll down and enter Google Assistant. Scroll down till the end to manage all assistant settings. Now first of all, if you want to change languages, tap on it. Tap on the current language selected in here. To change language, select right from this list down below. Go back. Your primary language is already changed.
O microfone está desativado.
You can add another language in here. Now please remember, if you have accidentally changed your language to another, you can change it back to English right from this section as well. And that's it, the language is changed. To change the accent, go back one step, scroll down to Assistant Voice and Sounds. All you have to do is just listen to all the accents one after another, all voice and accents one after another, and choose the one that best suits you.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If you like this voice and want me to keep using it, just stop here.
So that's how easily you can change any language and accent on your Google Nest Audio smart speaker right from your Google Home app. So which language did you change it into? Share with us. Thanks and see you again.